Welcome. We'll show you now how to select an order in the Review Order Progress app. In earlier versions, you had to use the value help for the document number to select orders. The app now offers better selection options to improve productivity. To begin, go to the Document Type field. Here, you can select your order type. Sales order is pre-selected, but you can also select a production order or a process order. Next, in the Sales Order Number field, type in your order number and choose Go. This action will show all essential information of the order. To switch between order types, always use the Document Type field. For example, if you want to switch from a sales order to a production order. Results update. You'll see the production order matching your selection. That's how you select an order and switch between orders in the Review Order Progress app. Thanks for watching. AI-generated audio.